Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add languages to your profile in the Worldpackers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the smiling face button at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the My Account section, click on the Profile button. And click on the Add Languages button. And then click on the Add Languages button again. And here you can select the languages that you speak. So for example, if you click on English, then you can set if you're a beginner, intermediate or fluent, and then you can just set as many languages as you want to. So, and then just click on the Save button and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.